Today, I'm going to show you how I converted a toroidal transformer into a high current power supply. Watch how the power supply can easily melt a stainless steel fork. Pretty impressive, huh? To begin, I had to remove the epoxy from the middle of the transformer. I started this process by using a large drill bit. Unfortunately, I discovered that the diameter of the core was smaller than it appeared. When I realized this, I had to come up with a new way to continue to remove the epoxy. I decided to use a hydraulic jack to finish this process. The hydraulic jack was able to provide enough force to separate the epoxy's bond from the transformer's core. I was extremely surprised at how well this method worked. After that, I was able to easily remove the epoxy with a slide hammer. Once I was done, I decided to wrap the outside of the transformer with Kapton tape to provide extra protection for the primary winding. For the secondary winding, I'm using this section of 4/0 stranded copper wire. I was able to fit a maximum of 3 turns for the secondary winding of this transformer. When making a high current transformer, it is essential to find the ideal ratio between voltage and current with the windings. If you have too many windings, not enough current will be available, and if you have too few windings, there will not be enough voltage to overcome the resistance of the piece you are trying to melt. Finally, I added a plug to the primary winding of the transformer. Ideally, I would have liked to run this transformer off of 240 volts, but I was unable to do so because the transformer could only run off of 120 volts. Here's the final assembly of the transformer. Let's see what this thing is capable of. The knife got so hot that it caused the concrete to explode. This is why it's essential to pour sand down if you plan to do any casting on a concrete surface. The moisture trapped in the concrete can cause a violent explosion. One more thing. It's generally a good idea not to use a switch to turn off this device due to the back EMF generated when you shut it off. This could easily destroy the switch. I hope you found this video both entertaining and informative. I am planning to complete more projects on this channel, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.